Hey gearheads, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're ripping the cover off the future of Ferrari's iconic design and performance heritage. The much-anticipated 2025 Ferrari 296 GTB. Buckle up, because this prancing horse is ready to redefine the supercar landscape. The first thing that strikes you about the 2025 296 GTB is its head-turning design. Ferrari has masterfully blended their classic, aerodynamic curves with sharper futuristic lines. Imagine a sharper nose cone, redesigned air vents, and a sculpted rear end that screams pure power. But the 2025 296 GTB isn't just about aesthetics. Ferrari's upped the game with cutting-edge AI technology. Get ready for an intelligent co-pilot that personalizes your driving experience. We're talking driver assistance systems that anticipate your needs and an infotainment interface that learns your preferences. Step inside the 2025 296 GTB and prepare to be enveloped in luxury. Ferrari promises an exquisitely crafted cabin that blends classic Italian materials with a driver-centric layout. Think premium leather, sleek carbon fiber accents, and a digital instrument cluster that puts all the information you need right at your fingertips. The 2025 Ferrari 296 GTB is more than just a supercar. It's a glimpse into the future of high-performance automobiles. With its innovative design, AI integration, and potential performance upgrades, this prancing horse is poised to redefine driving for the next generation. So what do you think, petrolheads? Is the 2025 Ferrari 296 GTB the ultimate supercar of the future? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more epic car content. We'll be back soon to dive deeper into the specs, features, and potential price tag of this phenomenal machine. Until then, stay tuned and keep that driving passion ignited.